FAXX 2025 model, the next generation fighter envisioned to replace the F/A-18EF Super Hornet, FAXX 2025, the future of carrier-based air superiority. The FAXX 2025 model represents the U.S. Navy's most ambitious leap into sixth-generation fighter technology, designed as part of the Next Generation Air Dominance NGAD program. This aircraft is intended to ensure American air superiority in contested environments well into the mid-21st century, replacing aging Super Hornets while complementing platforms like the F-35C. Let us break down what makes the FAXX 2025 a game-changer. Design and stealth features. At first glance, the FAXX departs from conventional fighter designs, with a sleek, tailless, and blended wing body layout that prioritizes radar cross-section reduction. The aircraft features advanced composite materials and radar-absorbing coatings, minimizing its detectability even against modern enemy radar systems. The internal weapons bays ensure the aircraft maintains its stealth profile while carrying a full combat load. The airframe is optimized for both high-speed performance and efficient supersonic cruising, suggesting that supercruise capability sustains supersonic flight without afterburner is standard. Performance and power plant. The FAXX 2025 is powered by adaptive cycle engines, which are a step beyond traditional turbofans. These engines adjust their bypass ratio on demand, allowing the pilot to switch between high-thrust combat modes and fuel-efficient cruise. This extends both the range and loiter time, critical for operations in the vast expanse of the Pacific. Reports indicate the aircraft can exceed Mach 2 while maintaining agility superior to the F/A-18EF. The thrust-to-weight ratio, combined with vectoring nozzles, gives the FAXX extreme maneuverability, rivaling or surpassing the F-22 Raptor in dogfight scenarios. Avionics and combat systems. The heart of the FAXX's advantage lies in its avionics suite. The aircraft features distributed aperture sensors, a next-gen AESA radar with electronic attack modes, and infrared search and track IRST systems integrated seamlessly through AI-assisted sensor fusion. The cockpit is built around an advanced human-machine interface with large panoramic displays, voice control, and augmented reality overlays. Pilots benefit from decision support AI, reducing cognitive load in complex engagements. The aircraft can direct loyal wingman drones, acting as a force multiplier. Weapons and mission flexibility. The FAXX 2025 carries a mix of air-to-air missiles including future long-range variants, precision-guided munitions, and potentially directed energy weapons as technology matures. Its modular bays can accommodate a variety of loadouts, supporting air superiority, strike, suppression of enemy air defenses (SEAD), and electronic warfare roles. The Open Mission Systems architecture ensures the FAXX can easily integrate new weapons and capabilities as they emerge. Conclusion. The FAXX 2025 isn't just a fighter, it's a flying network node, an electronic warfare asset, and a command platform all in one. Designed for survivability, flexibility, and lethality in future battle spaces, it reflects a clear shift toward multi-domain operations. While it will take years of operational experience to fully realize its potential, the FAXX 2025 stands as a bold testament to the future of carrier aviation.